Hey guys, I know I look a bit weird at the moment, I've got some Halloween makeup on, but today I'm here to talk to you guys, and also it's a good thing that I have this makeup on because I'm going to show you how I remove it. So today I'm going to show you how I clean my brushes, how I remove my makeup, and I'm also just going to talk to you about a few other products that Blush Off offer. So I'm just going to go right back to the start. Blush Off first sent me PR at the start of this year, and I fell in love from the moment that I tried them out. I had tried other makeup removing sponges and pads and stuff in the past and didn't really like them, so when I first got Blush Off I was a little bit scared, but when I tried them I actually fell in love and I've been using it literally since that day. I used to get really sensitive eyes whenever I used to remove my makeup, and it got so bad one time that I even had to go to the doctor and get ointment and couldn't do my makeup for like a week. Obviously doing like multiple makeup looks in a day, like my eyes get sensitive and stuff, but honestly Blush Off is so soft and gentle and just literally makes the makeup come off in seconds. But the reason I'm talking to you about Blush Off today is because they are running a campaign through October for breast cancer awareness, which I think is awesome. So I'm just going to tell you a bit about what they are doing. So it says all orders all month. As a proud supporter, Blush Off Australia pledges all October profits to be donated. Our mission is simple: stop deaths from breast cancer. So it says, purchase any of our products online and we will donate all profits to the National Breast Cancer Foundation for the month of October. And also for October there is a little code or like little campaign running, and it says you can use the code BOOB to get an additional white makeup remover pad for free, which was awesome. So I thought that I would, use my platform. I love Blush Off. Literally any of my skincare videos you can see me using it. I've got a whole dedicated video. But yeah, I use my Blush Off every single day. I got my mum hooked. She uses hers every single day. My mum, I don't know how she has lasted so long with such beautiful skin, but she used to sleep in her makeup. Like, she was so bad at taking her makeup off, and then as soon as I got her a Blush Off, she takes her makeup off every day, and she went and bought herself some really nice skincare, and yeah, her skin is beautiful. But oh my god, the fact that she used to sleep in her makeup, I was like, Mum, we've got to get you some help, Mum, you can't do that anymore. But no, honestly, this is a product that I feel really strongly about, and also the fact that like the profits are being donated to breast cancer, it's like a win-win. So if you guys are ever thinking of trying them out, now is the perfect time. So yeah, I'm going to take you guys upstairs. I'm going to show you how I remove my makeup. I'm going to show you a few of their other products that they have. So yeah, we're going to head upstairs and I'm going to show you how to use Blush Off. Okay, so we're in my bathroom now. Look how bad this looks. It does, it doesn't look like that. Oh my god, it does. Oh my god. Holy god, that's so bad. Wow. Anyway, I know that people are gonna say stuff about that, but we're about to take the makeup off, so let's just ignore it. So first I'm gonna talk you through a few of the Blush Off things. So here I have a set. So Blush Off offers quite a few products, so we'll go through them. So let's just talk. Okay, so first, and I feel like the most important part are the makeup remover pads. These are the new ones that I have. I'm still using my old ones at the moment. So you can see that these ones are very well loved compared to my nice new ones. Katrina kindly sent me some, like a backup, so that was really lovely of her. But yeah, these are the ones that I use, and they are pretty much used to death now, but I'm going to keep using them for a bit. So yeah, these are the two pads. These ones are for lighter makeup, and this one is for more heavy duty makeup. I'm sure you guys can tell which one I use more. So that's the pads. Then I would say the second most important thing is the shampoo. So with your Blush Off, it is recommended that you do machine wash it, but in between machine washes to use their shampoo cleanser. I love this. This is amazing. I'll clean my blush off, the water will run clear. I'll squirt some of this on and the water will literally go black again because it's just picked up so much more stuff and cleaned it so well. So you can use these on your blush off pads. You can also use these to wash your brushes, which I will be showing you today. So yeah, I love this stuff. This is my second bottle. I haven't needed to start this on yet, but I'm almost through my first bottle. I love it. This is a game changer. Next, we have the silk scrunchie. I love the silk scrunchie. I use this one every night at bedtime. It is so much softer than your regular scrunchie. Obviously it's silk, and I feel like it keeps my hair up, but it isn't too tight. It's perfect for sleeping, I find, because it's just so, like, it keeps your hair up and it doesn't pull on your hair. You know when you're in bed and like you've got your hair up, and there's nothing worse than having your hair super tight. So yeah, I love my silk scrunchie. I use mine every night for sleeping. And then they also have the little headbands. This is what the headbands look like here. They either have a black or a white one. Obviously I have the white one here. I'm pretty sure I have a black one downstairs. But yeah, these are really good. I feel like my head is always too big for these kind of things. But no, these are perfect for keeping all of your hair out of your face. Perfect for like a spa day, skincare day, all that kind of stuff. What I didn't bring up is their beauty sponge. So they do have a beauty blender as well as like a beauty blender holder. I do have those downstairs in my beauty room. I forgot to bring them up stupidly. And then they also have a laundry wash bag. So this is to chuck your little pads in and then chuck them in the washing machine for a nice deep clean. And then they also have this little spray bottle. This one only comes in the starter kit, I'm pretty sure. And this is like to fill up with whatever, either, I don't know, say if you're going away and you want to take a little bit of your shampoo cleanser, that kind of thing. It comes in this really cute little bag. So they have recently added a new addition to the website, which is their brush cleaning mat, which I'm also going to show you today. It looks like this. I have not used mine yet because up until recently it was a secret. So I'm really excited to show you guys how to use this thing today. I have used something very similar in the past, but I'm so glad that Blush Off made one because I love Blush Off. These are so awesome and so good for cleaning your brushes, so I'll show you how to use that today. So yeah, let's start with the makeup removal. I'll show you how I use my Blush Off in my skincare routine, then we'll move on to cleaning my brushes. Okay, so obviously the first thing I'm going to do is just remove my eyelashes. Today is a little bit different. I do have fake blood on my eyes. I don't want to get the fake blood on my blush off because it's sticky and annoying. So what I usually do if I have fake blood on first is usually put some water on that. It usually just comes off with some water. So I'm just going to rinse my eyes and then we'll take the rest of my makeup off. Okay, so the way that I normally use my blush off is I'll put my Clinique Take Off the Day Balm. But I kind of want to show you guys how it works just with water. If you are someone who doesn't want to use makeup remover, which I do recommend because these get your makeup off as well, but you also want to be, you know, skincaring your skin. But I'm going to show you today how Blush Off works with just water. So I'm just going to rinse this under some water. So this just has just water on it, and now we're just going to remove. I'll do this in real time. I know it's probably a bit annoying to watch like stuff in real time, but I just want to show you kind of how easy it is. Okay, so you can see with, you know, first swipe, a fair bit of my makeup has come off, like it's removed quite a lot. What I'm gonna do now is just rinse it, like just like, what do you call it, like wring it out in the sink, put some more water on it, and then we should be right. So you can see it really has just removed literally like the bulk of my makeup. There is still like a few bits on there. And now I will go in with my Clinique Take Off the Day Balm. So it here, and what I do is just chuck a little bit on my face like that. These two products together are just a match made in heaven, honestly. So what I do is I just run that all over everything. Just like that. And then I'll wipe my blush off and I'll take my makeup off. Okay, and you can see that my makeup is pretty much gone. This is usually where I leave it until I do like my full skincare, if you know what I mean. Like, this is the part where I'm happy. So I also use my blush off for my skincare. So I'll put my cleanser on, then I'll use my blush off to take it off. If I put a mask on, I'll use my blush off to take it off. I love it. It's amazing. It's just the best, honestly. I feel like I've had this on for at least 6 months. Like, so it honestly probably needs to go. I do have my new one, but I don't want to throw it out yet, you know. But yeah, they do recommend that, you know, obviously machine wash them, you keep up with the shampoo, cleanser and stuff. But also, you know, they do eventually require you buying a new one, if that makes sense. But I do really want to show you the shampoo cleanser. I stupidly didn't bring my tripod up. So I want to show you how the shampoo cleanser works because it's amazing. Okay, I've got my tripod now so you can see. So this is the blush off pad that I've just used. So what I'm going to do is start by rinsing it out just with water. So you can see some makeup's coming out. But you can see that now the water is running clear, you know. Looks clean, so, you know. But now we're going to put some shampoo cleanser on it. What I do is I do one squirt on one side, mix it around like that. Another squirt on the other side, mix that around as well. And then you can see like a heap more product just came out. And I feel like that's how you know that it's actually doing something. Yeah, so much more. And then I feel like once the water runs clean, it's actually clean now. So, I know mine looks a bit rough. It is months and months old, but now it is nice and fresh. Honestly, I do need to get rid of it. I will do that soon. But yeah, then I just hang mine up to dry. I usually just hang on my beauty fridge. So yeah, now I'm going to show you how to clean your brushes. So, this is the blush off mat. So with these, I stick them in the bottom of the sink like this. It has little silicone pads on it. Honestly, you probably want your sink dry, but I'm lazy. So, all like that. So what I actually use to clean my brushes is I just use the SoJo Beauty solid brush cleaner. But you can actually use the blush off shampoo cleanser as well, which is really awesome. I've just been using this one for so long, so yeah, but so I'll just give you a demonstration of both products. But this is the blush off cleaning mat. So I guess I'll take a brush like this. You can see it's fairly dirty. I can't see what I'm filming, so I'm hoping you guys can see, but yeah. Okay, so what I normally do is the SoJo Beauty brush cleaner. Just get the brush kind of run it around in there like that, and then you'll see it like this, and then this is where you use this mat. This mat is like the best invention. It's so handy. It gets in all of those little green bits, all of the little like roots and little nooks and crannies and stuff. Just make it so much easier to actually clean the brush. Before this, I just used baby shampoo. So honestly, whatever, like the actual brush cleaner, you can choose whatever, but this I feel like is definitely a necessity. So now when it's like that, I'll usually just rinse mine, make sure there's no soap left in it. And you want your brushes to dry like this. You don't want them to be stored upwards while they're drying because the water will go down into this bit. So you need them kind of on a downward angle like that. Now we'll try some of the shampoo cleaner. So here you can see that I have this nice red brush. So once again, just squirt a little bit, or you can even squirt it on the mat. And then we're just gonna run it all around. part where you think that you've got it clean. Oh, you can rinse. Squeeze the water out. And voila, there are our 2 clean brushes. So that is pretty much everything that I wanted to show you guys today. If you were thinking of trying out any of their blush off products, now is the perfect time. I will leave their website linked below. I'll leave the code and everything like that. They have heaps of different bundles. So yeah, if you guys were ever thinking about trying them out, now is a perfect time because 1, you get a free pad with the code BOOB, and you are also helping out the breast cancer, what do you call it, like charity or fundraiser or whatever. I would donate revenue from this video, but honestly it's going to be like 50 cents, which is obviously not an adequate amount to donate, I don't think. So instead what I will be doing is, my mum has been asking me for some more blush off, so I think I will buy some during this time so that my contribution goes towards the Breast Cancer Council as well. And yeah, it's a good time to get my Christmas presents because my mum has been asking me for so long to get her another one. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you check them out. Even if you don't want to buy them or you can't buy them or something like that, even just sharing now is such a great way to, you know, spread awareness, and you know, maybe someone who does want to try it out will see. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.